When it comes to making a memorable first impression, your roof plays a starring role. In Shelby Township, where well-maintained homes and attractive neighborhoods are the norm, the right roofing style can dramatically enhance your home's curb appeal. Whether you're building new, preparing to sell, or simply updating your property's look, choosing the right roofing style not only boosts visual charm but also increases overall home value. Let's explore the most popular roofing styles in Shelby TWP that combine beauty, function, and timeless appeal. Architectural shingles. Style and substance. Architectural or dimensional shingles are a top choice among Shelby TWP homeowners for good reason. These high-performance shingles are thicker and more textured than traditional 3-tab asphalt shingles, giving your roof a rich, multi-dimensional appearance. Why it enhances curb appeal. Mimics the depth of natural slate or wood shape. It comes in a wide variety of colors to complement any home style. Offers superior durability, meaning it will look great for years to come. Architectural shingles are ideal for homeowners looking to elevate a basic roof with a sophisticated finish, without breaking the bank. Metal roofing. Sleek and modern. If you're going for a bold, contemporary look, metal roofing is an eye-catching choice that turns heads. Available in standing seam panels, shingles, or tiles, metal roofs are known for their clean lines, long lifespan, and resistance to the elements. Curb appeal benefits. Modern aesthetic that pairs beautifully with minimalistic or farmhouse-style homes. It's available in vibrant or neutral colors for a personalized look. Reflects sunlight, which can make your home stand out on a bright day. Metal roofing works especially well on custom homes or remodels where a strong design statement is part of the plan. Cedar shake roofing. Rustic charm. For a touch of natural beauty, cedar shake roofs offer unmatched rustic elegance. Though more common on upscale homes or cottages, this timeless material is also a beautiful addition to traditional or colonial-style homes throughout Shelby TWP. Appeal highlights. Distinctive texture and natural tones that evolve gracefully with age. Creates a cozy, high-end look that boosts perceived property value. Works wonderfully with stone or wood siding combination. While cedar requires a bit more maintenance than synthetic options, the payoff in character and charm is well worth it. Slate roofing. Old world sophistication. For those who favor classic, elegant design, slate roofing is hard to beat. Though it's one of the more premium choices in roofing, the visual impact of natural slate adds luxury and permanence to your home. Curb appeal features. Natural stone texture and rich, earthy tone. It's a perfect match for historic homes, European-inspired architecture, or estate-style builds. Lasts for decades. Offering enduring beauty. Slate isn't for every budget, but it's a smart investment for homeowners focused on long-term elegance and distinction. Synthetic roofing. Versatility with style. Advances in roofing technology have introduced synthetic materials that replicate the look of natural slate, wood, or tile, without the cost or maintenance. These roofing styles are growing in popularity across Shelby TWP. Why they stand out. Lightweight and easier to install than their natural counterparts. Resistant to moisture, mold, and weather damage. offers high-end visual appeal at a mid-range price. It's perfect for homeowners who want the look of luxury without the complications. Final thoughts. The right roof makes a statement in Shelby Township, where curb appeal contributes to home value and neighborhood pride. Your roof deserves careful consideration. Whether you choose the traditional elegance of architectural shingles or the sleek profile of modern metal, your roofing style sets the tone for your entire property. Partnering with a local expert ensures your chosen style complements your home's architecture, meets Shelby Twp building standards, and delivers beauty that lasts. When it comes to curb appeal, it's clear. Great roofing isn't just above your head, it's above expectations.